empini sothini uma singenawe malusi nomusa sitube ngendlela cela uthembathe Nkosi cela uthembathe Nkosi. So one of you requested this song, guys. So I will first play it, break it down in G sharp, then I'll go to F sharp, I'll go to C sharp. Ne? Happy New Year to you all, wherever you are. Happy New Year. Hope this year brings blessings into your life, and there are a lot of tutorials which are coming. Please, if you're liking this channel, don't ever forget to subscribe, because of we'll post consistently these days. Okay, so let me first break it down in G sharp. Ne? So it starts right here on this chord, ne? On this one. Empini sothini. Okay? Uma singenawe. So I don't want to waste the time on this song, okay? Because of it's a long song, alright? So it's 3, 6, ne? Then 5, 4, then 2, ne? This is 2, then 4, 3, 1, then you go to 5, then you go to a 1, you close it, ne? So if you didn't understand in G sharp, you will go again and pause it, check again and again, ne? So let me be slow. Okay? So with this progression, you can play songs like Noyana, Litini, Noyana, ne? Even this one, which is mostly sung by Rhapsody praise worships Bushiho Alora. Okay, so if you know the song, so let's go to that part. Okay, so that part starts right here. I don't know the lyrics well on this one. Okay, then you go to this one, then you go to this one, then you go come here. So yeah, so it starts on 1, then you go to 4, ne? 6, 5, then 1. When I say 6, I'm like 1, 4, ne? I hope you can all see it. 6, immediately you go to 5, ne? Then you go to 1. Alright, very simple, very simple. Okay, so there is this part, Noma when you go baba. So it starts right here on this one. I hope you can all see it. Okay, then 1, so you'll press it 1, 2, 3, then 4 you come to 2, ne? Whenever you times by 4, you come to 2. On 2 it doesn't stay, ne? You go immediately, you go to 5, ne? It's like 1, 2, 5, ne? 2, 1, 5. Alright, I hope you got this. tenkosi. So I hope you saw it. Before any waste of time, let's jump straight to F sharp. Ne? So in F sharp, it starts right here. I will start that part MP. Ne? This is F sharp. Ne? Don't forget to subscribe. This one. MP. Ni so ti. So I want to waste the time on F sharp. If you didn't understand, you'll go and check again and again. Ne? It's like it starts right here. B, ni, so, ti, ni. Ane? Uma, singe, nawe. I hope you see it. Okay? So this is how our song goes. So that part, Telutemba Tenkosi. So it starts right here. Telutemba Tenkosi. Then it goes to Telutemba Tenkosi. I hope you can see it. Ne? Telutemba Tenkosi. Telutemba Tenkosi. So there is this part, Noma Wenyuga again. Party Noma Wenyuga. Ta 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 ta. Okay? Ta 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 ta. I hope you see it. Ta 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 ta. This one. Ta 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 ta. I hope you can see it. Ta 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 ta. So it starts right here. Noma when you baba. Noma so I hope you also eat. As I said, I won't waste time on F sharp. Let's go to C sharp. So in C sharp it starts right here. C sharp, ne? M, P, ni, so, ti, ni, uma, singena. Okay? Ni, so, ti, ni. Okay? Uma, singena. I hope you saw it. Malu, sino musa, situ bengendrila. So this is how it goes, I guess. So let's go to that part. Telutemba Tenkosi. Telutemba Tenkosi. Telutemba Tenkosi. Then we go here. Then we come here. Then we come. Telutemba Tenkosi. This one. Telutemba Tenkosi. Then we go here. Then we come here. Amen. So that part, party Noma when you. Okay, I hope you see. Party Noma when you. Then go again. Noma when you Telutemba Tenkosi. our song goes. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. If you didn't understand in your preference key, go and check again and again.